Hey best friend, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button and make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any more videos. So in today's video, I'll be doing a chicken and Spanish rice cook with me in a slow cooker. I got this recipe from 𝐬𝐪𝐻𝐿𝐼𝐧𝐞𝐬𝐬, so make sure you check out the description box for the link to all the ingredients that I am using in this video. So the first thing you want to do is grease your crock pot really good so that it will be an easy cleanup when you're done. And the next step is putting in a stick of butter. The ingredients call for 3 to 4 chicken breasts, but I only had 2 and I didn't really want to cook a lot, so I only used 2 chicken breasts. Then you want to sprinkle your ranch seasoning on top. Then you want to take 32 ounces of chicken stock or chicken broth, which I use chicken broth, and you want to just pour over the chicken. And then you just close the lid and let it cook for 7 hours on low. Now you can cook this on high for like 5 hours, but in this video I'm cooking it on low. And as you can see, it was like really late. It's like 6 o'clock at night, so this will be done about 1 or 2 in the morning. Alright, so after 7 hours you want to remove the lid, and this is the part where you're going to shred the chicken with a fork. This is what I used. And y'all, it just shredded so easily, as y'all can see in the video. So the next step will be to add 16 ounces of yellow Spanish rice, and this is the kind I used. And you want to make sure the rice is covered with the liquid. Then just put the lid on top and cook it for another 30 to 45 minutes or until the rice is done. If it's been 30 to 45 minutes and you test it and the rice is hard, you want to just add about 1/2 cup of water and let it cook for another 20 minutes until it's done. And that is it, y'all. This is a very, very easy slow cooking recipe. This was my very first time cooking this. To be honest, this is my very first time cooking this. This tastes so amazing, and the yellow rice that I use, the brand that I use, it has so much flavor in it, y'all. It is amazing. So if you guys have tried this or will try it, make sure you let me know in the comments below. Hit that thumbs up button if y'all didn't already, and if you haven't, subscribe, and I will see y'all for the next video. Bye, y'all.